you. So paano po nakuha ni Elias Nash yung baril nyo, yung Glock 17, na nakalagay, nasa kwarto nyo, pero nakalagay sa isang plastic container?
Nash unlawfully entered my own house. It's not a room po, it's my own house.
So house.
Yes po. He forcibly damaged my locker. It was locked. And my house was locked as well po, ma'am.
Pero yung locker ay plastic locker.
Plastic locker, and my firearm was inside a gun box. The locker was as well locked po. And I am only the one who had possession of the keys to my house, ma'am.
So nakapasok siya sa bahay kahit wala siyang susi. Yung plastic locker, standard ba na pang safekeep yon ng firearm? Plastic locker, hindi mas matibay na locker?
Yung standard po is yung safety vault, but it was in good faith, ma'am, that I believe it was safe at that time since I'm only the one staying in my own house.
So standard po pala, Sergeant Pasensya, na safety vault, hindi lang plastic locker. I appreciate good faith po, talaga. But, lalo na sa ating mga nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno, I think we need to observe the standards para nga po ma-anticipate at maiwasan yung mga worst case scenario tulad po nito. And lastly, before I turn over to Senator Raffy at this point for his follow-up question, paano po nabuksan ni Elias Nash yung gun box? Di ba ang gun box ba, ano bang material nun? Plastic din lang po ba o bakal po?
It was plastic din po, ma'am.
Standard po ba na yung gun box ay plastic lamang?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So standard po yung plastic na gun box, but standard din na kung nasa plastic na gun box ang isang baril, andun siya sa isang safety vault. Tama po. Salamat, Sergeant Pasensya. So at this point, Senator Raffy.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Staff Sergeant Pasensya, tanong ko lang, paano nalaman nung inyong pamangkin na yung baril ninyo ay doon niya makukuha doon sa sabi mong naka-plastic na lalagyan?
Sen Rafi, I have only one locker in my room. And siguro naghanap siya kung saan ko pwede mataguan. Yun lang po ang area na may lock